What's up geeks, we are going hands-on with the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. This is the compact form of the flagship, slightly lower spec. So let's go in and check what the specs are here. The screen is a 5.9-inch screen. This is a Full HD Plus screen as well, but the screen size is lesser compared to the 6.39 inches of the Mi 9. Otherwise, there are some similarities, like for example, there is in-display fingerprint scanner on this one as well, and the same 20 megapixel front-facing camera with the teardrop notch. So Xiaomi's new design philosophy is to use these kinds of notches. Pretty good. The design is also pretty good. Over the right side you can see there is metal and glass. This is the power button, the volume rocker, and over at the top you have the IR LED as well, secondary microphone. Over at the left side you have the SIM slot, and over at the bottom you have the USB and the speaker grill. So this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 712 chip, which is a mid-range chip. We are not sure how performant it is, but yeah, for the cheaper price this will have that. And also the triple rear camera setup is almost the same except for the sensors. There is a IMX586 as the main sensor, 48 MP, but the other sensors are quite different. One is 8 MP and one is 13 MP, and the ultra wide and the telephoto options remain the same. So overall I think this is a compact device, but it has a 3070 mAh battery, which means that it might not last as long as the Mi 9. But anyways, cheaper phone, 2000 yuan. We're not sure if it's coming to India. It might come as the Poco F2 with some different designs. So that's what I'm thinking. So answer the Mi 9 SE. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, share and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Check out all our other videos as well. See you in the next one.